What's up, YouTubers? Listen, normally I do the outdoor channel and I show you some fishing, some hunting, and different things. Today I'm going to show you just a little project I was doing for a friend of mine. I'm putting in a playground. I was outside. I'm not a general contractor yet. Actually, am going to get those licensed and working towards that. But out there doing a little bit of work for him so I can afford to go hunting and to go fishing. And hopefully tomorrow I'm going to get out of here. If it doesn't rain in North Carolina, I'm going to get out of here and do some fishing. So stay tuned, and we'll see you at the end. What's up, YouTubers? You can tell my eyes are red. Sweating. You can tell down there sweating. So here I am in the rich part of Clayton. If you can see that house there. Some people say, what do you do? Are you a carpenter? Are you a landscaper? Nope, not even quite. I'm a pastor and I'm a jack of all trades. My grandfather used to say, or my grandpa, as I called him, he used to say, I'm the jack of all trades and master of none. And that's what I am. I pastor, and then I work when I can, when I'm able to make a few dollars on the side. At times, this homeowner is a buddy of mine. He's got so much money, he just wants to throw it away. So he's got me. You can see the tractor. I think you can see the tractor. Maybe not. Now you can. Got the tractor in the back, hooked up on the trailer. We're gonna go flatten out an area for him to put a playground. We're gonna let him shovel the mulch, but he skimped on me. He was supposed to have ordered the wood and had Lowe's bring the wood. I had to go get it, load it, and now I'm gonna have to unload it by myself. So the qualms of work, right? So we're gonna do that, take some fence down. I didn't bring any of my recording equipment, but I'm going to record some things so that you can see what we're doing, and you can see why I'm excited to be outside. Alright guys, the outdoor heretic back with you. I'm going to show you what we're doing. I have unloaded all the wood, unloaded the tractor. I'm going to show you what we're doing today here at the Ellis homestead. They are putting in a playground, and they need a safe area, and we're going to level out some ground, build a little retaining wall, and get to it. Let me show you the area we're working in, and then you'll be able to see what's going on. Alright, so had to open up the fence, as you can see, and then this is their backyard. There is the John Deere sitting there ready to tear up some ground. And there's the ground we're going to be tearing up. So what they need is they need a 12 this way, 16 this way, safe area. So we're just going to come up right there, dig maybe no more than a foot down, and bring some of that dirt over here. We're going to try to get it leveled out for them, make it nice and easy, and so the kids will have a nice area to play. The homeowner said that they didn't have any landscaping timbers. That's 19 timbers right there. In case you're wondering, carried every one of them down that hill, and we've opened up the fence. Only had to cut one rail on the fence. I'll show you later how that opened up for all the guys on YouTube that may run across this. But we're gonna get to work, and I'll show you some of the action.